Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can wrap text around images or photos, for example, you add to Google Docs. So let us get started right away. Head over to your document on Google Docs. And as you can see, I added an image for the sake of this tutorial to this example document. And now I would like to have that text here above and below wrapped around that image. This is how you can do it, guys. Left click into the image. And let's start by making it a little bit smaller and by moving it, for example, let's say to the left side here of that text. And I would like to have that text wrapped here around that image. This is how you can do it, guys. Left click into the given image. And after that, select the wrap text from these options below. On default, it should be on inline, but you may switch to wrap text. And that is going to wrap the text automatically around your image. You may also customize the margin. So, for example, between that image and the wrap text by clicking on that arrow down icon here and switch to another margin, like for example, health margin. There you go. As you can see, that space has been increased. And that's how it works, guys. That's how it works in practice. If I click into the text and keep typing and skip into the next line, it will be automatically wrapped around that image. And that's basically it. You may also click into that image and move it around. And no matter where you place it, the text will be automatically wrapped around that image. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.